Beyond the Box consultants have been working with the City of London Corporation to engage young Londoners with the City Plan 2036. We've been working with 4 passionate university students to design and deliver an interactive youth engagement event.
My name is Barira and I'm a second-year architecture student. Today I will be collaborating with Beyond the Box consultants to engage young people in discussions about the plans for the city, as well as discussions about what it's like to study, live and work in London. The 4 key themes are the Culture Mile, the Tech City, youth empowerment and green spaces. Personally, I feel like the culture of London is sometimes diminished or overlooked because of plans and decisions that are made for someone else or something else and not necessarily for the young people in London. Today I'd like to talk to young people about ways we can celebrate and reinforce the culture of London and make it a cultural city for the people who are living here and also for the people who want to come and visit.
We continue with our mission to empower and engage young people across London and the UK.